Now, children, we will see about India. This map you can see in your slide, which is also given in your test book, page number 67. So, this is about location and extent of India, about the vast locational extension from western to eastern part and from northern to southern part of our country. Children, India too has a large longitudinal extent. The difference between two extrememost point is 2 hours or 120 minutes. India has only one standard time zone. The 82 degree 5 the 82.5 degree east longitude is the Indian standard time. It passes through Allahabad. It is ahead by 5 hours 30 minutes from Greenwich Meridian Time, that is GMT. Already just now I told you that India is ahead of GMT by 5 hours 30 minutes. And as we are located in the eastern hemisphere, so India is also having large longitudinal extent. And the Indian standard time, we have already studied in your 8th standard, the Indian standard time passes through Allahabad, IST, understood? And it is about 82 degree 82.5 degree east longitude, understood? With the explosion of electronic media, telecom industries had become one of the fast growing sectors in India. In this era of information and communication, more digitally enhanced communication services like mobile phones, internet and satellites are paving way to expansion of the wider reach of communication technology. Children, already we have studied in your previous class that India is having vast longitudinal extent. The Indian Standard Time or IST, Indian Standard Time or IST is calculated on the basis of 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude, passing through Mirzapur near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. You know, already we have studied. With respect to longitudinal extent, 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude passes through the middle of India, understood? So that is why we started we decided that we will have this Indian Standard Time because it passes through the middle of our country, understood? So the difference between the local time at 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude and local time at extreme east and west longitude passing through India is not more than 1 hour. So in western part of our country and the eastern part of our country, the difference is not more than 1 hour, understood? So if you calculate the time of the western part of our country, suppose Gujarat and extreme eastern Arunachal Pradesh, you will find only 1 hour of difference, nothing more than, understood? Now on the basis of this figure, we will answer some question which is given in your test book. So which is given in the page number 67. Some important questions are given, 66 sorry. So on the basis of figure 9.13 or this figure, we will answer some question. First, calculate the difference between two longitudinal extremes of mainland India. Is it more than Brazil? So we are supposed to calculate the difference between two longitudinal extremes of mainland India, and we should know about this. India extreme longitudinal mainland of India is, you are supposed to calculate between the two longitudinal extent that is given like 97 degree 25 minutes east, and in western 68 degree to 7 minutes east, as we are situated in the eastern hemisphere, understood? So we are supposed to do difference between two longitudinal extreme, understood? So we are supposed to minus the two longitudinal extent, that is 90 degree 24 minutes 47 eastern and 68 to 7, which is given in your book. You can see minus these two and you will find the difference, that is 29 degree 7 minutes. Hence, the time difference between the easternmost and westernmost extreme of India is 29 degree into 4 minutes, that is 116 minutes. 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. So just now I told you that the difference between is only 1 hour. So the answer will be 29 degree. Understood? Next question. Which longitude in India is called Indian Standard Time? That is, what is the degree of Indian Standard Time which passes through Allahabad? That is 82 degree 30 minutes. Okay, which is given in your textbook, page number 67. Next question. What is the difference between this time and GMT? So the difference between IST GMT is 5 hours 30 minutes, because our time, Indian Standard Time, is ahead of GMT by 5 hours 30 minutes. Understood? So IST is ahead of GMT by 5 hours 30 minutes. Next question. How many local times are there in India? Only one local time. So only we are having only one local time in India. So this is about your Indian Standard Time, location extent of India, and about IST. So please observe this map carefully, and also Brazilian Standard Time map, and you can answer all these questions. It is very easy, no need to worry. So you have to just find out the difference between extreme longitudinal extent of India in terms of western and eastern side, and you will find the difference. Understood? And also you know that what is the difference between IST and GMT? It is nothing but IST is ahead of GMT by 5 hours 30 minutes. Understood?